Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Touchdown, Kansas City!
Could you not? I'm trying to study for my exam.
Well, you can go study upstairs.
You're such a dick. I'm going home.
No, I'm sorry. I'll mute it, okay? Compromise.
Fine.
You know I'd do anything for you.
Yeah, I know, but every time you watch the game, you just go...
What the hell?
Sometimes I feel like you take football more seriously than I.
Oh my God! Is that the last piece of pizza?
Yep. Why? Did you want it?
No, why would I want something so scrumptiously delicious?
Good, because I'm hungry. That is so good.
I'll take that.
Alright, well, I'll be over here eating pizza, watching TV as loud as I want.
The Chiefs offense now making their way back onto the field. And following the interception,
This is the life.
they're a little bit more cautious.
So Stacey told Megan that Jessica said Brittany needed to lose weight. But Jessica never even said that. Stacey was lying. Now Brittany isn't even talking to her. And then Stacey started texting Brittany's ex. They had just broke up like 3 months ago, but turns out they were pulled her hair and they got into this huge... Anyways, how was your day?
Ooh, some things I just can't refuse. She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not gonna lose. And you're left in the dust unless I stop by ya. You're the sunflower. I guess it'd never be too much. And they be left in the dust unless I stop by ya. You're the sunflower.
Steven? Yeah, boss? I still haven't gotten your TPS reports. I need them on my desk in my office in 30 minutes. Got it? Yeah, okay, got it. Yeah, go, okay.
That was fast.
Yeah, it was. Looks like I'm done for the day.
Man, do I love this thing.
Hey babe, notice anything new about me?
You got a haircut.
Seriously? You're so oblivious.
I'm kidding. You got new earrings.
Aw, you noticed.
Of course I noticed. I love you so much.
I'm gonna wear them to your high school reunion tonight.
Sweet, I'll go get changed.
Okay, me too. All right, I'm ready.
Really? That's what you're wearing to my high school reunion? You look like you're in high school.
You don't like it?
Let's change it up a bit. No, not quite there. Getting there. That'll do it. All right, we're ready.
Looking for this?
Oh, thank God you found it.
I know what the remote does, Steven.
Turn the TV off?
I know what you've been doing.
Okay, look, I'm sorry. You would have done the same thing.
You're right, I would have. And I am.
What? What are you doing?
Something I should have done a long time ago. I'm turning you off.
No, please, please, I'll throw the remote out.
Too late.